In this video, we'll demonstrate how to disable the voice assistant feature on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to turn off this feature, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight to the steps. From the home screen, access Settings. Then navigate to Accessibility. Look for the option labeled Screen Reader. Disable the Enable Screen Reader option. This will turn off the voice assistant feature, preventing any constant voice prompts or assistance while using your PS5. I know it can be quite annoying to have the voice assistant on continuously, but following these steps will help you turn it off easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support motivates us to create more content like this. For more tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.